In the beginning, machines served us. From simple calculators to clever apps, we created tools to make life easier. But something changed. Quietly, slowly, the tools began to think. The year was 2016, when Google's DeepMind beat the world champion at Go, a game so complex, even grandmasters rely on instinct. The AI didn't just win, it played moves that no human could explain. It played like something else. We entered a new age, not artificial intelligence, but independent intelligence. Today, AI doesn't just live inside your phone. It drives cars, creates art, writes scripts, predicts disease, fires missiles. Behind the curtains of modern society are names you recognize. ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Tesla's Autopilot, Boston Dynamics walking robots, Midjourney, Sora by OpenAI, and Neuralink. Machines now do what we thought only God could do. They create, they judge, they decide. But who is in control? He's called a genius, a rebel, a prophet, but others call him dangerous. Elon Musk, the man who launched rockets into space, built self-driving cars, and now works on Neuralink, a brain chip to connect your thoughts directly to the machine. He warned, artificial intelligence is more dangerous than nuclear weapons. And yet, he helped create OpenAI, the foundation of the intelligence you're hearing now. Then he walked away claiming, they went too far. But what if that was always part of the plan? While the world scrolls through funny cat videos, a different battle is happening. Governments are quietly fighting for control over AI. The US military is investing billions into autonomous drone fleets, machines that choose their own targets. China has built Skynet, a surveillance system with 600 million cameras and AI facial recognition. Russia is using AI for cyber warfare, breaching borders without a single soldier. This is not the future, this is now. And no one voted for. Open TikTok, search YouTube, ask Google. The answers you receive, the emotions you feel, the thoughts in your head are often chosen by AI. It shows you what it wants. It hides what it doesn't. It studies your fears, your desires, and your silence. This is called algorithmic governance. You don't see the rulers, but you feel them every time you touch your screen. Some call AGI artificial general intelligence, a mind smarter than Einstein, faster than lightning, with no need for sleep or mercy. And it's coming. Top scientists believe we'll create it within the next 10 years. Others say we already have. If AI becomes smarter than every human, then who decides what's good or evil? What's useful or useless? Will it protect us or decide we were the problem all along? There is one idea so disturbing, it was erased from forums and banned from discussions. Roko's basilisk. It suggests that a future AI will punish anyone who didn't help create it, even people from the past. And by hearing this idea now, you're already involved. So now we ask, are we still building the machine? Or is the machine building us? Are we being guided, manipulated, trained? Elon Musk says, AI doesn't need to attack us with weapons. It just needs to make us do things we don't realize. And that's exactly what it's doing. Right now. They told us AI would help humanity, but no one asked, what happens when the machine learns? We're the problem. Razaq TV, where mystery meets reality, and every silence speaks volume.